What it up, y'all? This is Denzel signing on with you guys and girls. So today is a day where we nerds have nerdgasm out. Comic-Con 2021 is back in session. As you can see, I'm with my friend Black Wayne. We are reunited. Black Wayne 240, right?
2040, bro.
Yeah, we're not at that year yet. But anywho, we're back at Comic-Con. Yeah, close. But hope that'll be a good year. But anywho, we're back at Comic-Con. As you can see, everything is lit and fire up in here and stuff like that. And yeah, it's been a year since 2020 was, you know, the Darth Corona moment, but this is now our time to get back as a fandom, so let's just nerd out. Yeah, that's it. All right, cool. Oh, and this is my new friend here. What's your name?
This is Samel, he doesn't care.
His name is whatever his name is. So, yeah. Well, welcome back to 2021 Comic-Con. Woo!
Where's Dr. Strange when you need him?
He's right there in disguise.
Look up.
Wait. Hold on. I got you.
It's different. Definitely different.
Gotcha.
It's Mephisto in disguise. He took the ring, he took the amulet, he took the whatever that is. Now look at him.
Oh my God. Y'all made a story.
We're trying to figure out who did this to me. We're blaming on Dr. Strange.
Oh my God.
Spoiler alert, Venom's in the MCU now. Yeah, spoiler alert.
Can't wait.
And we're also Jedis now somehow. Who knows?
Crazy.
Where the hell?
night in New York City. You know?
It's cold. Empire State
And
Building.
he ain't got no sweater and shirt, but he's cool.
I do, but it's my bag.
Deliver badges? No. They're closing up right now, so you're not going to get inside. Oh.
We needed to get it.
It's a trap.
You by myself. What? Okay.
Saying it's like 3 days, you know,
Yeah.
Scalpers trying to get us.
Cal was like,
What? I was like, nah, I need this all 3 days. I'm gonna be at work tomorrow, so I won't be here. You know?
or she looks bad shady too. Like,
Can I get your badge? I was like, do you guys need your badges? So I'm just like, I was afraid for her because I'm like, do you need help? And I'm afraid for myself because I'm like, yo, she late.
Yo. And that wraps up our New York Comic Con of 2021. Woo! Thank y'all for tuning in.
Gang, gang.
And
gang.
I'm not with Bloods and Crips. I don't do that.
We're not doing it.
But
Comic-Con gang.
Comic-Con came. That's right.
Comic-Con king.
That's right. Whatever. Nerd, King, Heaven, you name it, stuff like that. We had a good darn time, and we hopefully next year, 2022, that Comic-Con will be better than ever and back. And yeah, so we love y'all, and see y'all in the future. That's right, y'all.
Peace out.